look like people leaving the car show, but we'll see, man. Like I said, yeah, like I said, it look like people leaving and stuff like that. If it slacks up, we're definitely gonna have this content put out for you guys. But it sucks right now in VA. It was not raining when I drove there, but man, I may seem a little bit off because I'm a little bit, you know what I'm saying. A lot of stuff going on in my life right now. Yeah, a lot of stuff going on in my life right now, and you know what I'm saying. But the show must goes on. The show must goes on, and yeah. So, like I said, it's raining soon. It's slack up or anything like that. I'm definitely gonna get some content for you guys. We're in Detail Garage right now, man. First time being in Detail Garage, and the first time being in Virginia. Man, I've been ordering their products from offline for a long time. But when I walked in, guess what I saw? I saw the 720S McLaren. Whew. First time ever seeing that in person. I seen it on online with ArtOfSpeedd having his change, but man, my man's cleaning it right now because it was raining. But the doors is open. Man, I see what ArtOfSpeedd was talking about when he... Oh, and he gave me access to look inside of it. Woo. Let's see. Isn't it engine? That Alcantara? Woo. Wow. The exposed carbon fiber. Man, that 720 is nice. In person. See what it mean, man. Look at the exhaust. Cool. Got the active arrow. You know the spoiler come up, but dang, look at the doors, man. Look at it, man. I ain't gonna say and lie. She ain't nice. I bought this, and we definitely gonna do a product review on the Chemical Guys Butter Wet Wax. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. When I take the wrap off being there, I'll definitely do a product review on the Butter Wet Wax. So yeah, man. Alright, so we done made our way out of the Detail Garage, and now we're into the car show. Man, God darn it, it's so many cars, right? It's so many nice cars. I'm pretty hyped that I seen the McLaren 720S. Wow, first time ever seeing that in person, man. But I think I got to see these little kids racing. You see like McQueen and I forgot cars. Are they racing though? This for you. I know you're gonna check my channel out, but yeah, man, I see your truck at the car show, and got the people in the they run your car out, they run your truck out to the car show, man. Man, say hey to Gavin.
That's his sister. Hi, thanks for coming out.
You're welcome, man. So, man, Gavin, man, your people that show support and bring your truck out here.
We love Gavin.
But yeah, man, I saw it and I walked past. I was like, hold up, this look like a truck, bro. But man, I appreciate it, and man, I hope you have a full recovery, bro. Yeah, bro, I hope you have a full recovery. Man, seeing your truck in the car show had me like, whoa, and that was your truck. But anyways, man. But yeah, man, we got the Focus RS, pretty sexy. Blue and black. Got the SI. Man, we got the Focus ST again with the metallic pink wrap. Dang. It was raining out here, so everybody was wiping off their cars, but it was pouring down raining. Man, guess what? I know it is, but whew, I see the 2.0 turbo Mustang. I mean, not Mustang. I'm sorry. 2.0 Camaro. Is it a 2.0? It's a 4.7. 2.0. Yeah, 2.0.
2019.
Yeah, I know. I see the lights and everything because on the SR got the different lights. I mean, the RS got the different lights, then the SS got the different lights. But man, I kind of like the 2.0. the four banger because they could be sleepers. If you really do something to them, they could be sleepers. But man, got the 2019 Camaro. We got the 2019 Camaro up in the car show. Man, if you don't know what that car is, check out my channel because I did a car review on that one. So yeah, I'll leave the link somewhere in the description below. But let's get people. All right. So we got the Focus. We got the Focus ST with a. Dang, we got 3 Focus ST right beside each other. But this one right here, take the cake from all of them. I'm gonna be honest with you, but they nice though. They nice. Them probably. But we got the Honda SI. Oh, excuse me. And then we got the Ford RS. She don't remember me, but so she was at dang, I can't remember. She was at Springfest. She was at Springfest, and my brother said, "Oh man, that got to be a girl car," and and she's back on the vlog. Man.
Yeah, it's a girl's car. It's a girl's
She didn't know who I was. She was like, "Excuse me, excuse me." I was like, "Oh, I'm sorry."
Get hit by a big truck.
Oh man, we gonna get hit by a big truck. So we got this guy Decal's pickup truck, his rap pickup truck in the car show. We got the Audi S5, man, alongside the Nismo Nissan Altima. Nissan Altima. Dang, I was about to say I don't know what kind of car. We got my man Chuck back in the show again. But we just gotta say welcome back to my boy, cause he ain't been into the show in a minute. Had a pre-conversation with him, but tell the people welcome back.
Back.
He's back. I said tell the people to say welcome back. I mean, he's back into the show, man, and he got a few modifications. I think he got a few, but I just see one that stands out, and that's his exhaust, man. We gotta take a look at it. Whew. That's massive right there. Wow. Man, oh dang, hold up. Man, keep up the work. Keep up the work and keep building, man.
Hey,
the Titan look dope.
Thanks, man.
Appreciate it. But yeah, we got my boy Casey. We got my boy Casey Titan back in the car show. Man, out here looking sexy as ever. Then we got the classic Ford on that car show, alongside with the Mustang, with the Jeep Grand Cherokee, with the old school Ford Hot Rod, another old school Ford. We got the DeLorean back into the vlog, man. We got the DeLorean back into the vlog alongside the, you can't say it, Ghostbusters. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. Man, the DeLorean looks sexy. I went to go talk to the dude with the McLaren. Dang, I don't know if you're gonna hear me, but I went and go talk to the dude with the McLaren 720. Whew. It may be coming to the channel. It may be coming to the channel. I don't know, but it may come to the channel. Man, we got the Nissan Z with the Acura IL. No, it could be a TL. I don't know. I think it's the TL, but we got another Acura with eyelids up there. It's pretty sexy there. Oh man. Dang. With the Dang, I can't even talk, man. Got the Beamer right here with the TC. Scion TC, man. Man, I don't know what's going on with me, man. But we got the Scion TC with the Avalanche with the Tahoe, with the SI Civic, with my man, got the Evo. Man, my man cleaning them wheels. Them wheels about to be white. I'm trying to tell you. Boy, shit. Y'all see them? Let's see, can we get the wheels on the tank? It may look.
They're kind of dirty.
He said they're dirty, but they don't look dirty to me. But all right. Man,
Appreciate it.
nice car, man. Nice build. Man, we got the Acura. Dang. I can't even think of it. I guess it's the Acura TL. I think it's the TL. We're gonna have to go around the back just to check it out and see. But that Acura, I knew it was the TL. I just said I left out the X, but it's the Acura TL sitting low, man. That Jeep with the Honda 2000 S2000. Whew. Pretty nice, man. Man, this is a nice Titan, man. The wrap on that Titan is sexy, man. With the Ram Reezy sitting extra greasy. Nah, I'm lying. But nah, that's from dang, what's his name? Shoot. That's my tall guy. Ram. They got the Ram Reezy out here. But we got the Ram Reezy. We got the F350. We got the Challenger with another Challenger. Got a Challenger with another Challenger with the Mustang with a Challenger with another Challenger with the Camaro out here, man. That jean's pretty sexy right here, man. I'm gonna show y'all this chain, man. Got the 45, look like the bloody. But yeah, man, the most important cars out here in the show is the Gen Coupe, man. The Gen Coupe finally made it back into the car show, man. Looking sexy, man. Looking extra sexy, man. Extra greasy. But yeah, it looks like we got more cars over here. Gavin, man, you know what? At the end of the video, I'll show you I'm gonna show you the dude Gavin. It's a charity event for my boy Gavin, who got leukemia. Man, he's a pretty cool dude, man. Go check his channel out. I think it's Gavin 5.7. I think I'll leave a link in the description below. But yeah, go check him out, man. Show him some love, man. My man fighting leukemia, but every time yeah, my man fighting leukemia, but much love to my boy. But yeah, we're definitely. So what up to the people, yo?
How you doing, man? Represent 3MC. Man.
Oh, hold on. You represent. Man, this is the first time I ever seen 3MC in person, man. I've been seeing them like on Instagram and whatnot, but dang, y'all got some nice cars, man. Nice lineup of cars. And y'all doing y'all thing, man. Y'all
trying to.
Y'all standing on half of these car clubs, man.
Trying to.
And y'all staying out of trouble. That's what it look like.
No burnouts. No burnouts. Our tires still new, baby.
You heard that? No burnout. Tires are still looking fresh. most people may say, man, you ain't a real car enthusiast unless you do some burnouts. But bro, it's not all about the burnout, man. It's not. But yeah, man, nice Daytona, man. Appreciate it. That's why the gym always looking good, man. Because my boy from Detail Medic always hooking me up, and he always getting the gym right. Man, gotta give him a shout out, man. If you're in the VA, if you're in the 757 area or anywhere close to the 757 area, hit my man up. But yeah, man, we FaceTiming my boy Gavin. Hey, go ahead and give him a shout out. Go ahead and shout yourself out, bro. What's the YouTube channel name? Wait, hey, go check my boy out. He's in the hospital right now. He's fighting with leukemia. But yeah, man, we out here. He gotta choose whatever car that he thinks nice. I hope he chooses the Gent.